What is going on? He's in a daydream.
Didn't even realise.
Today we're at Aldershot with LTD and we're both going to be driving my 36, aren't we?
Yep.
Never driven a car before. He'll be alright.
Yeah.
I trust him. So the car's locked and loaded, ready to go. We're just sitting in the van because it's a little bit chilly. And then wait for track to open in a couple of minutes. Car's all warmed up. Box and diff are all warmed up. So yeah, hopefully the hay fever don't hit me too hard today because it's been absolutely knocking me on my arse this week and the week before. So yeah, here we go. Currently overheating a little bit, so we're just doing some laps of the paddock just to try and cool it down. I've got the heaters on the floor, got my auxiliary fans on, but we're a little bit warm. We've just a bit. We had a couple of big hot runs. Yeah, a bit of door-on-door action, which is always fun. Yeah, it's absolutely an incredible feeling to be back out in the car. Yeah, smile on my face, love it. Boy, that helmet is really dirty. So yeah, I had a bit of a sticky caliper this morning. I'm also thinking I've got a bush shot on my offside rear. It's a bit faulty. So gonna have to look at that. I really don't want to do. Obviously, round 1 of the Formula G Championship is coming up soon, so that's where all my funds are going. As you know, on this, I just get in it and drive it. Put a set of wheels on today, some tyres. Haven't checked the tyre pressures. Just get in and sent it really. But we come off track a little bit earlier than everyone else. It's 11:55. Just so we can get in the queue for the Vogue van about to stand out in the rain because it looks like the heavens are about to open. So head back to the paddock now and oh, some MX-5 boys here look like they need some help, so I'll go give them a hand. Oh, I'm still indicating. Bloody hell, BMW with an indicator that works? Never. There's going to be my lunch stop in a second. Let's go back up to the van. Go through the off-road track today. We've got the motorcycle training going on, so we don't have our usual paddock. Good old Woody. So, good day.
Yep.
Where'd you want for lunch?
Whatever's there.
Whatever's there. You paying?
Maybe, maybe not.
How much money have you got?
0, so it looks like you're paying.
Alright, so we're all cooled down now. So yeah, time to go grab some grub. So, still morning, and the car is filthy. They were clean this morning. Let's see how dirty it gets here. Bit of impact last session, we was out. Hit a car with spun, so I suck, he sucks, both suck. But yeah, nice, clean, dirty car.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
That's not really clean, is it? But right, lunchtime.
1 hour later.
What are you doing? I take it that's your cue that you want to go back out.
Yes.
GoPro time?
Yes.
God, you don't sound too happy. Why have you got a camera in your face, man? It's my job.
Alright, transition to the track right now.
To help him. So we're back home now. Oh my god, it was a crazy day. Shane, if you're watching this, mate, we had a wicked session all afternoon. Couple of little door bangs. We got one that side. Car's filthy, look at them wheels. Jeez. So we had that, and then I think the only other one we had was this side. When you spun and I hit you and your light exploded. So apologies. I know obviously we fixed it together and stuff like that, but cool. Thanks Andy for L2D, thanks to all the staff, Bowser, Dino, everyone, Jules. Shut up. And just kidding. Yeah, and thank you everyone who was there. It was a wicked day, probably one of the best days I've had there. So thank you, and see you on the next one.